Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go through this amazing app there. So let's get to it, let's see how it works and let's download it, right? So as you can see, once you download it, this is the first thing that comes here. And afterwards, we're gonna choose what is our main goal here. So mine is actually anxiety relief, stop panic attacks and insomnia, overcome worry, ease health anxiety. I think I would like to overcome worry. So we can introduction to overcome worry. Let's listen.
Worry is the driving force of general anxiety. The origin of the word worry is actually to strangle. We strangle and contract our lives when we worry. We worry because we think doing so will solve our problems and allow us to feel more in control, but it cuts us off from life. There are two types of worry that affect people: the worry over things and the worry over thoughts.
As you can see, we have this 11 minutes, 12 minutes of introduction to overcoming worry. So you can listen and or you can skip now. I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna sign in so they can help us better. I'm gonna sign in with my Facebook. I agree to their terms of service. So let's get in there. Yes, continuing as Daria. So we can as you can see, we have anxiety relief, stop panic attacks. You don't have to focus on one thing. We have new global stress and insomnia, overcome worry, and we there. So we can actually unlock all of them if we upgrade, but for now I'm just showing you. And right here, as you can see, there are some success stories, like for example, you see other people's stories which can actually encourage you to start yours for now. So, and from here, as you can see, you can track your progress. You see, for example, right now 1 is no anxiety, 3 is moderate, but 10 is extreme anxiety. I have like 6 actually right now, so I'm gonna go next. How do you feel in general? I'm just okay. So here you can write your journal entry there. So studies also show that regular journaling can help reduce anxiety, strengthen the immune system, and help you sleep better. I'm gonna write I am okay for now, just as in gonna click done. So as you can see, we were history from here every time we have it, and we can actually turn on our journal reminder from here, and you can set a time. I said okay, 12 is okay. So this is how it is. We also have this deep release daily there. You can open your player or
close your eyes and make yourself comfortable.
You can listen offline if you download it, and it's gonna help you meditate to dramatically reduce feelings of general anxiety, since I have chosen it to the top. So let's close this for now. So as you can see, we can see stop panic attacks. We can choose all of them here. As you can see, we start here and then we go down and down. So it has the same option. We can just be listening them, or we can listen offline, which is great news. Then we have SOS. SOS is like in that moment, maybe you have something going on that you have to solve right now, So what you have to do, like maybe you have a panic attack, you're feeling trapped, your bodily sensations, you're feeling frustrated, or maybe you just need some motivation. So I'm gonna go with Calm Me, and it's also going to open this player, or you can listen offline, and it's going to help you. I swear, I have tried it before. So we also have this part where next to the SOS relax, From here we have the options to relax, such as nature, meditation, acceptance, sleep, deep breathing, or deep release. So you can, if you upgrade, actually all of them will be unlocked, and I think you would love it that way. But even if you don't, you still have choices like deep breathing, deep release, nature, and motivation. Also, we have challenges here. So these ones are available for people who are using the app as upgraded, and we have a lot of them. Like these are challenges that we can overcome, and this app is helping us. And at the end, next to the challenges page, we have our profile. And from our profile, we can edit our profile, as you can see, or the ones that you have downloaded before, as I showed you. You can actually download and listen to them offline. You will see all of them right here. But if we have any dares, they will show here. As you can see, we have this week's dares was this: deep breathing for better sleep, reduce stress by taking care of your body, you are ready, the fear of nightmares, I have it, there is strength in vulnerability, don't get discouraged, and let yourself worry. So you can also see that, and you can edit your profile. You can see at the top right corner of the page, and we also have settings, and see what do we have at our settings. So in here we can turn on or turn off our notifications, we can learn about the app, we can have some support if we need something, we can restore our purchases, or we can share it there, rate the app, and we can get to their community in Facebook, or we can log out from the right upper side. As you can see, let's go back. And now what I want to do, I actually want to go to main page, home page, and let's see what we have in we there. As you can see, what they are daring today, like they are asking their community the key thing that helped in their recovery from anxiety, and you can actually listen some of their replies from the community. We have like how to transform anxiety, don't try to feel comfortable. We have a lot of them. And when it comes to insomnia, which I think actually new global stress could be good, because it is, as you might know, that I'm pretty sure you do know, and I hope that you're acting on it. We have this COVID-19 going on, and I think this part would help you very much, and you should give it a shot. So I would like to ask you a question that I want you to answer in the comments, to be honest. So maybe you've gone through a hard time in your life, and now you're in a better place. I would like to know what helped you get better, what motivated you to get better. Also, please let me know in the comments, so other people that are watching this video, maybe they're going through some same things, like different time, difficult time, they can be motivated by your comments. So don't forget to leave them under this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next videos, I'm hoping.